Hello friends, this is Kyle from Wyze. Last year, we launched Wyze In Response. As a result, we were able to leverage our supply chain expertise and provide highly demanded items like masks and thermometers and make those accessible to those who might need them, including our wonderful Wyze community. With the surge in new cases, we're taking another step by providing affordable access to an at-home, rapid COVID-19 test. It's the iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. This test is designed to be affordable and convenient. Skip the trip to the clinic, skip the lines, skip the hassle. Do it within the comfort of your own home. This test was designed to be taken at home in just 15 minutes, and today we're gonna show you just how easy it is. So with that, let's dive in and see what's inside the box. First thing coming out of the box here are the test tubes, the test card, and we also have the quick start guide and the instructions. Last but not least, the cotton swab. Each kit comes with 2 tests. So let's take just a closer look at each component. First, let's start with the swab. So an important thing to remember is you want to open it from the end that has the handle and not the swab, as to not contaminate it. You can take a look here at what the swab looks like. And the nice thing about this test is you don't need to go too far into the nasal cavity. You just do a nice light swab of the inside of your nostril. Next is the test tube. You're gonna take the sample that you just gathered from the swab and you're gonna unscrew the orange cap and mix it with the liquid that is resting at the bottom of the test tube. Next is the test card. The test strip is designed to be super easy to read. You'll know if there is a positive test if there's a double line here, a line under the control and a line under the T for test. And that's that. That's the iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. It's quick, it's easy, and with zero discomfort, you can do it at home.